going to do?
Painting!
Okay.
Go.
What are you going to paint?
I don't know.
Alright, try painting. Let's see what will be the outcome.
Where's brown here? I make the car in the water.
Not too much water in.
Circle. That's mama water. We've been painting a lot. I can see the white. Where's black? Okay.
Rayne, you draw. You paint. You draw a heart.
A height, okay. Oh, that was gray. Sorry. Sorry, guys. That's my desert, Kelsey.
You put more heart. I watercolor. You're using the whites. That's why you are not seeing it in your paper. Get a different color.
I want this one. This is my favorite.
How about the blue one?
She put it all blue, look.
Because she put too much water in every palette. That's why the colors are all mixed up. See?
I'm trying to clean mine with renewals. Mix it. I'm not even sure if I can do it.
What are
Stop
you
it.
painting? It's a face.
No. It's not a face, it's a secret. But don't figure it out yet. Not yet done. I want to hide. You're not gonna figure it out yet. It's not really a girl.
It's not gonna show too much, Rayne, because you're using a white watercolor.
Yes, because it's my favorite. Oh, what am I thinking? No, it's color black. What? Yeah, it is color black. It's too much. Guys, this is why I come up with it. Why they do know. There's no light in the sand. I don't know. Let's go find the beach. No! I'm still drawing. When I'm done. She gets still more. She says that she has more space.
What are you painting right now, ate?
I don't know. But,
You don't know?
But don't figure it out. You can't figure it out, guys.
You tell them what you're doing.
I'm drawing mommy.
Why do I have a short hair?
It's okay. Because there's no more space. I'm not a good painter.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah.
You're done? Show
Oh,
them.
wait. I'm not yet done.
Your watercolor is so wet already.
Yeah. Mom's face got... It looks so funny.
My hair is brown.
Yeah. Your hair is brown. Look. Oh, wait. Black and...
My face is orange.
You're getting burned. I'm mixing up this because you have black and brown mixed up.
Okay.
I forgot about that.
How about you draw a tree, Rayne? And a flower.
I know how to draw a flower. But earlier, I don't want to... Wait, why I get no pink? The pink is hard enough because you put it all of the blue. That's pink. Yeah.
You brush it.
Yeah.
You put too much blue, that's why. See? Yeah, there.
Mine's cleaning. I'm cleaning mine because Rayne is always putting black on mine.
You clean the palette there. So the pink one will show. Most of your color palettes are now blue because you're mixing them up. Oh,
This looks so watery right now, the black. It's not quite it. I cannot see. I cannot see that pink.
what?
I cannot see.
There, I can almost see it. It's pink now. It's turning pink. See? Not too much water in.
I cannot see. Practice makes practice. I cannot see, guys.
That's already pink. You wash your brush and then you paint. It's a very light pink. See? Oh.
Okay. Yeah, I'll put orange. It's very pink. I like pink and blue and white.
Oh.
And drop and say brown.
What do you feel when you're painting, when you're coloring like that?
Happy.
Happy?
Yeah. I'm making simple things.
You're making simple things like what?
Look at the sky.
What are you drawing? What are you painting right now?
Simple things.
Like, you draw a heart.
She already knows how to draw hearts. She practiced. Okay, practice makes perfect.
That's right.
Practice makes perfect. I'm painting mommy's hair brown and black. This one's really black. Black. And the most of it. Are you at my back, mommy? Whoa. Oh, it's sky blue. I feel so happy when I'm coloring like this. Mom's hair is this one. It's definitely so black. This one I'll put a little bit black, but it looks so fun. It looks perfect a little bit, but it looks funny. Okay, next. No, I'm not. Okay. Okay, go. I can just continue.
Show them first what you painted.
I didn't color this yet because Rayne don't want. So
Show them first this one.
This one. I draw that. Okay. And I really didn't get to. So here, we can draw here. I made the height. Okay. Little pink. Now I'll draw mommy again because we always get.
Draw different things.
Oh, I'll draw flowers. What should I draw? I really like drawing mommy because she's pretty. Okay, now I'll draw mommy. What color is your face? Peach? Okay. Is this peach? I'm tired, guys.
You're tired?
I'm just gonna keep painting.
Okay, you keep painting. So tell them how you feel when you're painting.
I feel good.
You feel good. It makes you relaxed.
Yeah.
And you're using your imagination whenever you're painting and you're drawing as well as coloring, right?
Oh my gosh, what? So rainy.
Right, Mika?
Yeah. No. Oh, here.
Okay, so while Ate Mika is painting, we'll say goodbye now. Say goodbye now. Show your painting first, one last time.
I didn't get to color it.
And Rayne also. These have a lot of paintings already, right? Show them the others.
This is the last one that I used.
These are all paintings. Let me see, Rayne. Okay.
Come on.
How about the others?
I don't know.
The other page, Rayne. Let me see. Can you turn the page?
There. I drew my name there. I drew my. Oh, I can do this. Okay.
Okay, so continue painting. Let's say goodbye to them.
Okay, we will continue painting and we will say bye for now. So, see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye! Okay, I draw drawed this with 2 flowers, mommy's name with their T, and this is mommy with lipstick. I'm not.